Hello and welcome to Socioquatic, a one-stop destination for SSLC Social Science. Do you wish to score well in exams? Then you are at the right place. So without any delay, let's get started.
Hi friends, I am Prashanth Kumar. So we are discussing about the history lesson of 10th standard social science, their era of Gandhi and national movements. So this lesson, already two videos I did. In that we discussed about the early life of Gandhi and early protest, and then slowly freedom movement. He entered into freedom movement. There his different policies he followed or methods he followed. In that civil disobedience movement it may be, or non-cooperation movement it may be, or quit India movement, all these things we discussed. Okay, other than this, so another long answer questions, three questions, very important one, let us discuss today. And in that, other than these freedom fighters, ordinary people also they fought against the British. In that, we have to discuss about the farmers movement, workers movement, and the tribal revolt. These people also revolted against the British. So let's discuss about them. Okay. And now first, the farmers protest. Farmers also protested against the British. Why? Because of the land tax. Farmers rebelled against the British planters and zamindars. And here, Indian National Congress tried to organize the farmers as a part of freedom struggle. See, farmers anyway, they got disgust with the British. Indian National Congress wanted to use this one, and they joined these people with their freedom fight, freedom struggle, and they wanted to increase their power. The common cause is British. They opposed the farmers, they opposed indigo cropping in Champaranya district. Yes, Champaranya district, they forced to grow indigo and they opposed that one. Gandhiji influenced the activities in Champaranya and Kheda. Gandhiji supported that and he showed the way how to fight. One leader necessary, one plan necessary, some these strategies very important one to make these protests successful. So Gandhiji influenced them. And farmers of Tebag, Malabar, etc. revolted against the British and Zamindars. Actually, Zamindars were the pro-British. They were supporting the British. So these farmers opposed them. Then Gandhiji convinced the British officers through his satyagraha to withdraw tax. He tried to convince the British to withdraw the tax. Many of the protests were organized under the banner of Kisan Sabha. They supported. And in Telangana, farmers protested against zamindars and razaks. Razakars, they are the Hyderabad Nizam's army. They were very cruel. They were killing the people, those who opposed the ruler. And Hyderabad Nizam always supporting the British. So these people in Telangana, the farmers protested against zamindars as well as these razakars. And then the farmers of Bengal rose against zamindars. There also, in Bengal also it happened. In Maharashtra, farmers protested against the low wages. They were getting very low wage. So they protested against these zamindars and also against the British. Okay, so these are the main points under farmers protest. Next, we have to discuss about workers' revolt. The workers, the laborers, what we call, they protested. Workers' struggle started in Calcutta in 1827. In Calcutta, it started. Actually, in Calcutta, jute mills were there. Then in Mumbai, cotton mills were there. So, workers, the laborers, those who are working in these mills, they revolted. The workers of jute, and cotton mills, along with the railway workers also started organizing themselves. Railway workers held protest in railway stations and raised slogans against the British officers. And another one, the Printers Union in Calcutta and cotton mill workers of Bombay created national awareness. See how much strong a protest they made. A labor union was founded in Madras and many other workers' unions started later. See, workers' union started. One union necessary, one leader necessary to make any protest or strike successful. Then, the Congress supported such initiative from the workers' union. Congress supported that. So when this one big union Congress supported, they got strong power or background, and also it boost them up. The contributions of workers and their unions are unique. It's completely different one it is. And when these workers protested, the mill it will not work, the industries they will suffer, and British got big loss there. And another one, important one, tribal revolt. Tribal people, they were troubled a lot by the British. So they protested. The tax and forest policies implemented during the British administration were the reasons. They levied tax on them and forest policies which gave more trouble to these tribal people. They are tribal people, they are not trouble people. And when they were getting torture, they will give trouble. Revolts of Santala, Kola, Munda and Halagalibedas are notable here. Yeah. So these tribal people they are. And people of Santala tribe are present in the hilly areas of Bengal and Odisha. In that area, the tribal people are called as Santalas. With the implementation of permanent zamindari system, these people became landless. Their land went to the zamindars. The zamindars, money lenders and the company government exploited them. So they suffered a lot. The upset Santalas, they met secretly and decided to loot the zamindars and money lenders. They met in a secret place and they decided to loot these money lenders and also zamindars. So this became very severe. The revolt was severe in Bhadpur, Barahat and Rajmahal areas and they killed their enemies. When they attacked on the zamindars and moneylenders, they killed. They were killed by these tribal people. Frightened moneylenders and zamindars fled from these areas because of the attack of these tribal people. The frightened these moneylenders and zamindars they fled away. This revolt inspired Kola and Munda revolt also. Kola and Munda revolt, another revolt of these tribal people influenced by the Santalas. So in this way, this tribal people also revolted. See their contribution in the freedom movement. So these three are very important one. And so here I will stop, and the next very important part it will come where important personalities, those who fought against the British, that is very important one. I will come with another video. Let us stop here. Thank you very much.